It's Google Sheets by Tool here. If you are using Google Sheets and you have a column that has duplicate values and you want to remove or highlight the duplicates, there are 3 pretty easy methods for you to do just that. I'm going to make an example and tell which case to use which method. What we got here is column A is duplicate names that are repeated. Now, the first method is to remove the duplicates and keep one of each value. So, we will use the unique formula. You just need to input the formula and then select the whole column. Best use case for this method is when you have a bunch of email addresses, phone numbers, or names that are repeated, and you want to remove all the duplicates but still keep the original values. For the second one, it's much faster and requires no code. First, select the column which contains the data. Then go to Data, then Data Cleanup, then remove duplicates. You need to choose the data as header row if it does, so that the function can work normally. Be aware that this method will remove the original values too. So, you might want to make a copy of the original values. The third and last one, this method will not remove any duplicate values, but instead, it will only highlight the data. It requires a bit of work. Now, we need to select all the range of values you want. Then go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. A table pops up on the right side. Come to Format Rules and scroll down. Select Custom Formula. Use this formula on the screen. There you go. The duplicate values will be shown as green. You can choose whichever color you want. There are more Google Sheets tutorial on my channel. Don't forget to drop a like and follow. Thank you.